Hey class, I have videos on breakpoints in MATLAB, but I just want to show you the difference in Octave because it is slightly different. To be honest, I have only done this in class with a couple of you, so I'm kind of winging this, but we'll go through it together. So once again, the point of a breakpoint is to debug your scripts, your codes. And a lot of times with your code, it's not working, it's not doing what you want, obviously. But the reality is it's doing exactly what you say. Sometimes it's hard to see that just through looking at it. So you add a breakpoint, and that allows you to go step by step through the code, and then you get to see how the variables are being updated here. And then you see where it goes in the code. Does it go in this for loop? Does it go in this if statement? Does it go in this while loop? Does it get stuck in this while loop? So it allows you to see that happening with how the variables are changing. It allows you to really process what's going on and kind of break it down like that. So when I'm problem solving with you guys in class or with my students, I'm always at a breakpoint initially and just go through it. Okay, so first we need to save it. This is from breakpoint 1, so I'm going to save it. Okay, I'll call it point1. Okay, and then you double click where you want to add a breakpoint. So hopefully, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. This is awkward. There we go. So you have to hit this first and then click where you want it. Okay. So you have to hit toggle breakpoint. Okay. So now we're gonna run it. So save file and run. And now we're on this line. Okay. You go to command window. There's nothing going on. We have to go, and then you want to click this one, step. So you click step. Okay. And now if you go to command window, it's asking you how many pendulums you want. We're just gonna say 3. Okay. We'll go back to editor, and we go step again. Now it's created n, which is 3, because that's what we enter for that, and it's created period, okay, which is a array here. So I'm not going to go through exactly what each thing is. That's what the other video is for, but I just want to give you the idea of how to do it. Then you go step. Now we're in this loop, okay. So now we're in this line. So now we have length array 2, okay. And now C, because it's the first time through the loop, is equal to 1. Then it asks you to input for L, okay. I'm going to say 3. Being pretty creative here too. Okay, and then we're going to go step, calculate t, calculate or add it to the length array, add it to the period array, and then it's going to fprintf flourish. So if you go to the command window, it said here where the period was. Okay, and then it keeps going through it. Okay, so I'm not going to do this whole thing for you. We got to go type in another thing here. Okay, and once again I have another MATLAB video that shows it, but once again it's slightly different key. Once again, as you're in the editor window, you have to hit this before you click where it's going to be, which is slightly different in MATLAB. And then this is the button you hit after you run it, okay, to go step by step through it. Don't hit any of these other ones, just hit step by step, okay? If you want to quit debugging, just hit stop there, okay? And that's real quickly the difference between Octave and MATLAB with breakpoints, which once again are the most useful tool in debugging your code. Thanks.